you smacking that TV?
The picture's off.
Yeah, and if I hit you in the head a few times, then you'd be scrambled too.
Yeah, but it's a piece of junk. I mean, they must have had this in storage for years.
Well, they have. Believe it or not, people don't have time to lie around on the couch all day watching TV. Some people are busy being successful.
Oh, really? I don't know why I bother. There's only one thing worse than the programmes over here, and it's the food. I'm going to be tasting that donair for the rest of my life. Some holiday this has turned out to be.
Will you stop banging that television? What do you think? You're going to bring the picture back? Or maybe tighten a little screw on the inside?
Well, it does something.
No, I don't believe it does. Seriously? You don't remember what happened to that original television remote? The way you kept banging it on the palm of your hand as if that was going to recharge the batteries or something?
Well, I didn't know the batteries were dying, did I? Seemed to work for a few days.
Yeah, for a few days. Until it just died altogether. That's when we had to go and buy that universal remote. The one that cost £20. The one that'll probably not get used again once we leave.
Yeah, but glows in the dark.
Damn right it does. Look, I know you don't like going away on holiday, but it's been years since I've seen my sister, and her husband was kind enough to lend you his coat and hat.
What? I look like a right idiot.
Funny how easily I've gotten used to it. You should have been more prepared for a holiday in Canada during the winter.
Hey.
Hello. We're having a bit of trouble with our TV set. We were wondering if you could help us out.
Yeah, let's take a look. Do you have the original remote that came with the television, or?
No, we don't.
Right.
I'll be in the car.
I really like your technique. I tried that earlier, though. That's brilliant.
It's all in choosing the right tool for the job.
Can I buy that?
$50.
What about that one?
Oh, that little fella. $20. It's for remote controls.
Sold.